Hello everyone, my name is Shaisar Kumar and I'm from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I belong to the Department of Data Science and subject of this video is Biology for Engineers. And the topic I am specifically going to be talking about is potential hazards of waste disposal and landfills. So let's begin with an introduction. Improper waste disposal and landfills pose significant hazards to the environment and public health. It is crucial to understand the potential risks associated with waste disposal practices. To understand pollution, let's begin with air pollution. Landfills emit methane gas, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. Burning waste releases harmful pollutants into the air, leading to respiratory issues in nearby communities. Landfill gas can also contain volatile organic compounds (VOCs) that are harmful to human health. To the right side of the screen, we can see how humans and the practices of humans cause air pollution to the environment. Water contamination. Leachate, a toxic liquid produced as waste decomposes in landfills, can contaminate groundwater and surface water. Hazardous chemicals from landfills can seep into water sources, affecting aquatic ecosystems and drinking water quality. Heavy metals and other pollutants in leachate can bioaccumulate in fish and wildlife, posing a risk to human health. Soil degradation. Improperly managed landfills can lead to soil contamination, affecting agricultural productivity and ecosystem health. Hazardous chemicals from waste can leach into the soil, disrupting soil microbes and nutrient cycling. Soil degradation can impact plant growth, leading to decreased crop yields and food insecurity. Wildlife impact. Landfill attract scavenging animals, increasing the risk of wildlife exposure to hazardous waste material. Birds and mammals can ingest or become entangled in waste, leading to injuries and death. Contaminated water sources near landfills can harm aquatic species and disrupt local ecosystems. Health risks. Exposure to pollutants from waste disposal sites can result in a range of health issues, including respiratory problems, skin irritation, and neurological disorders. Communities living near landfills may experience higher rates of cancer, birth defects, and other chronic illness. Children and vulnerable populations are especially at risk of health effects from exposure to landfill population. Odor and aesthetic issues. Landfills produce unpleasant odors that can impact the quality of life for nearby residents. Visual pollution from waste disposal sites can also decrease property values and deter economic development. Addressing odor and aesthetic issues can help improve community well-being and social cohesion. Climate change. Methane emissions from landfills contribute to global warming and climate change. Proper waste management practices such as recycling and composting can reduce greenhouse gas emissions from landfills. Mitigating climate change through a sustainable waste disposal methods is essential for a greener future. Regulatory compliance. Governments and environmental agencies enforce regulations to minimize the environmental and health impacts of waste disposal. Landfill operators must comply with waste management laws and standards to protect public safety and the environment. Regular monitoring and reporting are essential to ensure that landfills meet regulatory requirements. Waste minimization. Waste reduction, reuse and recycling are key strategies to minimize the amount of waste sent to landfills. Promoting sustainable consumption habits and implementing circular economy principles can help reduce waste generation. Encouraging individuals and businesses to adopt eco-friendly practices can contribute to a more sustainable waste management. To the right side of the screen, we can see the diagram of the waste hierarchy. So it is in the order of most preferable to the least preferable. And the order of preference goes like this: avoid and reduce waste, reuse waste, recycle waste, recover energy, treat waste, and dispose waste. Hazardous waste disposal. Proper handling and disposal of hazardous waste are essential to prevent environmental contamination and health risks. Hazardous waste must be treated, stored, and disposed of according to regulations to protect human health and the environment. Implementing hazardous waste management practices can reduce the impact of toxic substances on ecosystems and communities. Landfill siting. Selecting appropriate locations for landfills is crucial to minimize environmental and social impacts. Considerations such as proximity to water sources, population centers, and sensitive habitats should guide landfill siting decisions. Engaging with local communities and conducting thorough environmental assessments can help identify suitable landfill sites. Landfill liners and covers. Landfill liners and covers are engineered barriers designed to prevent leakage, leachate, and gas migration into the environment. High-quality liners made of materials like clay and synthetic membranes help contain waste and protect groundwater. Proper maintenance and monitoring of landfill liners and covers are essential to ensure long-term environmental protection. Landfill gas management. Landfill gas collection systems capture methane emissions for energy recovery or flaring, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Properly designed gas management systems help prevent odors, minimize air pollution, and enhance safety at landfills. Regular monitoring of landfill gas generation and composition is critical to optimize gas collection and utilization. Community engagement. Engaging with local communities and stakeholders is essential for transparent and inclusive waste management decision making. Providing education and resources on waste reduction and recycling can empower communities to participate in sustainable practices. Collaborating with resident businesses and nonprofits can foster a sense of shared responsibility for waste management solutions. Emerging technologies. Innovative technologies such as waste-to-energy systems and advanced recycling processes offer sustainable alternatives to traditional waste disposal methods. Invest in research and development of green technologies can promote resource recovery and reduce environmental impact. Integrating circular economy principles and smart waste management systems can drive a transition to a more sustainable and circular waste economy. Global perspective. Waste disposal and landfill hazards are global challenges that require coordinated efforts at the local, national, and international levels. Sharing best practices, knowledge, and resources across borders can help address the complex issues associated with the waste management. Collaboration between governments, industries, and civil society is essential to achieve a circular and sustainable approach to waste disposal worldwide. Conclusion. Understanding the potential hazards of waste disposal and landfills is critical for implementing effective waste management strategies. By prioritizing environmental protection, public health, and sustainability, We can minimize the negative impact of the waste disposal on ecosystems and communities. Together, we can work toward a cleaner and healthier future by promoting responsible waste management practices and embracing a circular economy mindset. Thank you everyone for watching till the end of this video. If you liked the video, share it so it can reach to more people. Subscribe to the channel for content more like this.